Was Irfan Pathan really dropped from Team India just because he didn't set up hookah for MsDhoni? Sounds unbelievable, right? But that is the claim shaking cricket fans today. Now India has not played a match in almost a month. No sixes, no wickets, no headlines. And the last memory, Mohammad Siraj destroying England. And after that, silence on the field. But wait, off the field, pure drama. And that at the center of it all, Irfan Pathan. He has been firing one statement after another. First, he called his criticism of Hardik Pandya too soft. Then he attacked India's star culture, saying cricket won't stop if Rohit or Kohli step away. He praised Shubman Gill's rise, and then he was accused of defending the cause because of his friendship with Gambhir. And now the biggest bombshell. Irfan claims that he was sidelined because he never lit Dhoni's hookah. According to him, Dhoni favored players who hung out in his room, smoked hookah with him, and stayed close. He recalls an Australian tour when Dhoni said publicly, Irfan is not bowling well. Irfan confronted him, Captain, I bowled well. So tell me what more should I do? And Dhoni replied, No, Irfan, everything is fine. But Irfan says when someone tells you everything is fine, it usually is not. And you can't keep asking again and again, it hurts your self respect. We Pathans value our respect. Irfan Pathan said. Then came the punchline. Irfan said, We are not the type to go into someone's room and set up hookah. And next, boom, the internet exploded. Photos of Dhoni sitting with hookah went viral. Fans split into two sides. One camp said Dhoni was unfair, Pathan deserved more chances. The other camp laughed of the idea. Team selection based on hookah, really? But let's not forget, during IPL 2016, Dhoni captained rising Pune Super Giant. Irfan was in the squad. RP Singh struggled badly, yet Dhoni kept playing him. Irfan remained on the bench. Was that bias or a strategy? And here is the real question. If Irfan is right, does that mean Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Jadeja, even Yusuf Pathan made it because of hookah politics? Hard to digest, right? But the mystery remains. Dhoni will never explain. He won't give interviews. He won't defend himself. His silence leaves only one voice, the one making the claims. So who do you believe? Irfan Pathan who speaks out or MS Dhoni who speaks through silence? So tell us in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe. The drama in Indian cricket is clearly not limited to the field.